Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to professionally sharpen a drawing pencil. First, use a cutter to carefully shave off the wooden part of the pencil to the length you want. Make sure to do it gently and with precision so you don't damage the graphite inside. Then use a sandpaper block to shape the tip just like this. While you're sharpening, slowly rotate the pencil in your fingers. This helps make the tip even and sharp from all sides. If you'd like to see more drawing tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And here's the final result.